Hey everybody. Hey. Hello, 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 hello. It's time for your live 11:11 a.m. Eastern meditation here on Facebook. And if you're watching in replay on IGTV or YouTube, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Anytime that you leave a comment, I'm reading it because I love all of your feedback. I'm going to start really quick by telling you who I am. My name is Rebekah Borucki. I am a mother of 5. I am a meditation guide. Hello, Travis. I am an author of a few books for adults, a book for kids, and another book is coming out really soon, all about mindfulness and meditation and supporting your emotional and mental wellness, all that good stuff. I deliver these meditations for you because it is a way of sharing my medicine with the world. They are free, but I would love for you to click on the links in my video description and pick up my books or join my private group and all that good stuff. I'm learning a lot during this self-isolation with 6 other people. I'm learning a lot about self-isolation. I learned that I can stretch my blowout for 8 days. But obviously the blowout is over. I had to wash it this morning, so the curls are back. And I'm learning that there are a lot of crappy people out there, and there are a whole bunch of really amazing people out there. I'm going to be sharing resources from my friends who are healers and teachers and just like amazing, beautiful, wise people. A lot of them are going online with free resources. I'm giving away both of my books, the digital versions of You Have 4 Minutes to Change Your Life and Managing the Mother Load. I'm giving those away in my private Facebook group, so you can click on the link below to get those. And I'm giving away my entire Zara's Big Messy Day children's bundle. So you'll get like the ebook, the audio book, coloring pages, all kinds of good stuff to support your children's mental health during this time, because they're stressed out too. So you can go to zarabundle.com, Z-A-R-A bundle.com to pick that up, and you'll find links all over my social media for that as well. Hello, Gina. Let's just do this meditation. Let's just shake out the tension that's been building already today and already this morning. And that's what meditation's about, right? It's just about taking a beat, taking that time out, like an adult time out, connecting with yourself. If you get relaxed, that is an awesome byproduct of meditation, but it's really about connection. So let's connect with each other and ourselves during this few moments in the middle of our day. Go ahead and take a nice big inhale and exhale just to center yourself in this moment. Find your easy, comfortable seat wherever you are, your sofa, your bed, a floor, on a pillow, at your desk. You can do this even if you're standing in the middle of your kitchen, waiting in a long line, sitting in your car, in your driveway, or the store parking lot. You can close your eyes if it feels good. Leave them open if that's your preference. But just make sure that you're focusing softly on an object, a spot across the room, a place on the floor. No hard stares here. Sit up as tall as you can. Imagine that there is a clear path from the top of your head all the way down to your seat, or if you're standing, all the way down to your feet, for energy to flow, so that your breath, your energy, your vitality can just move through you with ease. It doesn't have to take twists and turns. It's just following a clear path through your body. Today's meditation is for awareness of what is. It's kind of a meditation for worry, for anxiety. It's one that brings you into the moment, the truth of the moment, and then beyond that, the good or positive truths of the moment that allow us to find at least a moment of happiness, a moment of safety, a moment of peace. Focusing on your breath, remind yourself that your breath is life force. With every inhale, you bring in energy and vitality. As you exhale, release any tension in your body. Allow yourself to settle in and ground. Follow that process with me. Inhale, filling up with life force. Exhale, allowing yourself to settle. I'm going to bring you on a journey through my process of acknowledging what is the truth of the moment. You can use my affirmations, make them your own, change them up, whatever works for you. Meditation is not the time that you heal, it's the time that you do the work for healing. So this is the time to learn, and then you go and you practice what you've learned in the world. Remember that. Meditation isn't the time for healing, it's the time that you learn how to heal. It's the time that you learn how to connect so that when you go out into the world, you can do all of those things more easily. And these are my affirmations of truth in the moment to help eliminate or alleviate worry and anxiety and connect with the truth. Connect with what is. I am here now. I choose to be here now. I can find peace now. I can create quiet now. I have the power to access peace and calm. I have the ability to soothe myself. I am here now, in the present, in peace, in quiet that I have created for myself. And then I affirm with an inhale and exhale, all of these things are true. All of these things are true. The world is moving around me. So much good is happening. I can hear the birds tweeting. I can hear the wind blowing. I hear leaves rustling as squirrels move through them along branches. I can hear my children playing. I can hear the sounds of nature outside and inside my home. Good things are happening all around me. And I affirm with an inhale and exhale, all of these things are true. And one more round. I am here now, able to connect with myself, with the freedom to breathe, with the freedom to use my voice to express what I want and need. with the freedom to create a space that's just for me. I am here now, in good health, in peace, in safety, in a safe place that I have created myself on my own, because I am empowered to do that. And I affirm with an inhale and exhale, all of these things are true. Connect with your truth in this moment of silence. What is true and good for you in this moment, even if it's just one thing? If it feels good, bring your hands to heart center, one hand over the other, connecting with your heartbeat and your breath with the rise and fall of your chest. Allow these to be affirmations of your vitality and your worthiness for being here. And then with your next couple breaths, allow yourself to move side to side and back and forth, waking your body up, preparing to return to the space of connection with others, and slowly, in your own time, focus your eyes or flutter your eyelids open and be here with me. Hey Shayna, hey Carol, hey Sherry, hey Laura. Welcome back. When I am in the throes of panic and anxiety, one of the things that I do is remind myself, sometimes out loud with actual audible words, that there are good things happening that are also true. Yes, I feel tense. Yes, my chest hurts. Yes, my hands can't be released from these fists. And I can create a space for myself, and I can ask for help. And the birds are singing, and the sky is blue above the clouds. And I have my good health otherwise. And I can force my face into a smile and think of something funny, and I can turn on Netflix and watch my favorite show, and all of these things are true in addition to the hard stuff that's happening. Can you hear those birds? Ooh, I hope you can hear them, because the birds just got really loud when I said that. Hey Jen, what's going on? Mon Fallon. I hope I'm saying your name right. Mon Fallon. Anyway, I hope you keep joining me live here. I'm going to be coming in every single day at 11:11 a.m. Eastern here on Facebook.com/BEXLIFE. You can find these in replay, though, in my private group on YouTube, on IGTV. I'm going to say this because I say it at the end of all my videos. Thank you so much for showing up for me today, and yourselves, because it inspires and compels me to show up for you and myself. And I affirm 3 times to really seal it in. I like to say things 3 times, like take 3 breaths, say a mantra 3 times, so really get it. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you, I love you, I love you. That is also true in this moment. I'll see you guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Or I'll see you folks. We're not all guys. I'll see you folks tomorrow with another free meditation. Share this with your friends, please. I should say this in the beginning, but if you've stuck around, Means you liked it. Share this with your friends. Share it, share it, share it, share it, share it. Because, like, I need the help, folks. The corona's out there, and I ain't working.